If you've ever owned a pool, you know the deal. It looks amazing when it's clean, but keeping it that way, not so fun. I've used suction vacs, pressure bots, all kinds of cleaners. Some get stuck, some move like turtles, and most miss corners. But this is Fanttik Aero X, the world's first SFSD turbo clean robotic pool cleaner. And I've got to say, this thing actually lives up to the hype. It's developed by a team with DJI drone lineage, so it's not just another random pool robot. These folks really understand smart sensors and precision movement. The Aero X has 12 high-precision sensors, including ultrasonic, gyroscopic, water immersion, acceleration, speed sensors, all working together to give it that FSD-style smart path planning. Basically, it doesn't just move, it thinks. And that brain is backed up by a cleaning system that's totally new. The Twin Flex system. It combines the Adapt Drive active ember brush, which adjusts to its speed to tackle stubborn stains and algae. So it sticks to the walls, climbs to the waterline, and handles curves and angles without skipping a beat. Whether your pool is rectangle, round, or something in between, it adapts. With its 15.7 rotating brush and cleaning speed of over 1,000 square feet per hour, it gets the job done fast. This isn't just faster, cleaner, it's a smarter one. Oh, and get this, it won the 2025 Good Design Award before it even hit the shelves. That tells you a lot. Alright, let me walk you through what it's actually like to use this thing.
4. Scheduled cleaning. Focus cleaning. Waterline. All around. 4. Waterline.
First, setup is dead simple. Drop it in the pool, press the button, or use the app and it gets to work. The Aquapilot system gives it real-time tracking so it covers the pool efficiently without zigzagging like some lost robot. You can control everything with your phone. Start, stop cleaning, switch modes, or even check the filter basket status in real time. There's also a remote if you want to give it a quick manual nudge or send it into a specific area. When the battery runs low, the Aero X automatically docks itself poolside. The filter basket, huge, 6 liters, super easy to remove and clean. Just rinse it out and drop it back in. Alright, time to clean the filter on the Fanttik Aero X. First, just pop the top open. The filter basket lifts right out. A full 6 liters, so it holds a lot more debris than most other vacuums. That means less emptying, less hassle. Inside, you'll see leaves, maybe even some fine sand, depending on your pool. The mesh is fine enough to trap tiny particles, but sturdy enough that it won't tear it. So you're always getting peak performance. Once it's clean, slide it right back in, close the lid, and you're good to go. Quick, clean, and super easy. That's it, back in the water, ready to go again. And if you forgot, the app tells you when it's full. It also gives you voice prompts while it's working, which is a nice touch. You always know what it's doing. Battery life? You're looking up to 6 hours of continuous cleaning on a single charge. That's more than enough for backyard pools. Honestly, it's kind of weird how hands-off it has become. I used to schedule weekends around pool maintenance. Now, I just don't. So if you're tired of babysitting your pool robot, or worse, doing it all yourself, the Fanttik Aero X is a legit upgrade. It's smart, powerful, it's fast. And it was clearly built by people who knew what they were doing, from both robotics and real-world use. I've been using it for a while now, and I can't imagine going back. Fanttik Aero X, the world's first SFSD turbo clean robotic pool cleaner. Smarter, faster, cleaner. I'll let it finish up while I go enjoy my pool.